So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. When do you build me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around in the world of home. You never go, baby, when you say you will.
Good morning, guys. So that trail that we just went through is called Tunnel Number 1. We are here at Gold Camp Road, and there's 3 tunnels. So the second one, not so bad, but the third, they say it is haunted because in 1988, a bus driver and 22 students were going through the tunnel, and supposedly the bus driver crashed into the rock, which made the whole tunnel collapse. And it is blocked off, but if you do go in there, you can see the top of the bus. It is covered in rocks, but you do see the blue. The bus was blue. And I've read a couple things that there's scratches on you, blood spots, and you hear laughing and a couple other things, but very, I don't really mess with ghost or all that energy, but let's give it a try. We're high up. We brought the RV all the way up here. Definitely worth the drive. Very sketchy, but worth the drive. Good. Fill it up all the way. And we're gonna see how that river water tastes. There's a little dirt, but it's okay. There's a hair too.
That's part of camping, right?
I think those are from the bears. Tastes like the faucet at home.
There you go.
So we are officially heading back up the mountain now because we went all the way down there to find out that the third tunnel is not there. So I don't know where they closed it off so we can be able to go there. But we've already done 7 or 8 miles and it's very hard. You know, us Floridians are not used to this. But I think we could drive the truck through here. We were just a bit scared to go through the tunnels. Oh, I missed you. Oh man, finally. Oh. Now we head to the campsite. Keep hearing this tock, 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 tock on my RV, right? Thought I popped the tire. If we check right here, oh shit, that's not good. It's in the tire.
Are you serious?
Yep. Look at that. Look what we just pulled from both tires. We're here at a new campground. And that's why you don't wear Air Maxes to go hiking. So this is our first spot in Woodland. So this is our first spot in Colorado Springs, and So we use this app called Campendium, which it gives you the best spots and free locations to be able to camp at. You click my location or what area you want to go to, So it says we are at Rampart Range Road. You go on it, you can see the photos of people that have been there. So I already uploaded photos. You could take pictures of your site, give people ideas of how it is. You could check if like the size of the RV, if it's allowed, cell phone service, tents and hookups. You can leave reviews, and it tells you all the different types of services that work here. And then if pets are allowed, very cool app to use. As soon as I started my road trip, I definitely used this app and I suggest it.
So I still want now, even if I'm there and I know they won't be waiting. 'Cause I don't want to be alone. No, I don't want to be here alone.
Big updates on what has been going on, and what made me decide to do this road trip is I had planned this for so long. And I remember in my video of me doing the RV tour, I actually explained, I'm like, I am gonna do this at a certain point, and I made a date, but you know, things happen in life, just catches you. So I don't know where I decided to go, and I was always waiting for that perfect moment. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. Just go, you figure it out later. And it was just so crazy because I overthought it so much that it took me so long to do. Something with van life that a lot of people don't understand is it's not very hard. I overthought it so much. I put a lot of pressure on myself to go ahead and do this. But it was not much, and I'm so glad I made that effort to do it. There's a lot of challenges with doing this. Like first, our water heater, which it's not plugged in, so right now it's cold water. And it's only been 25 degrees. But other than that, it's been great. I can't complain. I feel like this kind of like, I feel kind of like, how do you say? I don't want to sound corny, but I just feel like everything at home, just forgot about it, you know, except for family and stuff. But just it feels so good to get away, and I wish I would have done this way sooner, but everything in life happens for a reason. And I hope you guys follow me on this great journey to show you what I got, and to just, you know, enjoy videos, make great content, and make a lot of friends, because I've met a ton of people with the rap. The rap just gets so much attention. People look at me crazy, or people give me thumbs up, or they give me the finger. But, you know, all is love, and let's enjoy this trip. So we moved locations, and I need gas. So I'm gonna take the Ruckus to the gas station, but I don't know how it's gonna ride with the elevations out here, because it's a little bit weaker than the average. So let's test it out. I should have brought a sweater. What do you know brings a slam Ruckus off-road across the country? Well, I'm finally on pavement. That was hell, but definitely fun. Just picked up some gas. Put the McDonald's over there. It struggles a little bit up the hills, but it's not so bad. I'm currently going like 10 miles an hour. I'm so high in the mountains right now that it's struggling so much. I definitely need a 175 or 150cc motor, because I'm barely getting up this road. To currently push up the hill, because this thing does not want to make it. Just busted my ass. Woo. Damn. Definitely not going on the scooter again.
The way you've got it, it took so long to bear. It's all
So subscribe.